Hi, I'm Farooq Khan, solution leader and trusted advisor. Today, I have got something very important. One of the best practice that can help sales solutions and project professionals become a stronger, smarter, and more connected to your customer. So stay with me till the end because this is not just a sales talk. It's about transforming the way we think, sell, and serve. The sales truth. You know what kills more deals than competition? Most salespeople lose the deal not because they say a wrong thing, but because they don't hear the right thing. The best salespeople don't talk most, they ask the smartest questions and open dialogues. And then they stay quiet long enough to truly listen. Here's the secret: people don't buy when they understand you, they buy when they feel understood. So, every great sales start with listening, not with talking. Practical sales habit that wins. Let's get into it. Lead with curiosity. Stop asking, what's your budget? Ask, what's costing you the most time or money right now? That's how you turn a product discussion into a business conversation. Second, paint the after state. Every customer has two states: where they are and where they want to be. Your solution should be the bridge in between. Don't just sell tools, sell outcomes. Third, sell the impact, not the input. Don't say our firewall has AI driven threat protection. Say we help your IT teams sleep peacefully, because the best sales pitch is emotional, not technical. Fourth, stop closing, start connecting. Deals don't end with a signature, they begin with trust. When a customer trusts you, price become secondary. Alignment between sales, pre-sales, solution, and project teams. The power of alignment. No sales succeed without teamwork. Sales, solution, pre-sales, delivery must move like a one heartbeat. Sales bring the vision, pre-sales and solution build the architecture, and project delivery brings it to life. When those three syncs, customer don't see three departments, they see one trusted partner, one system integrator. That's what's create a long-term loyalty and repeat business. So, before you chase your next RFP, remember you are not competing on price or product. You are competing on clarity, coordination, and confidence. That's how enterprise trust is built, one aligned team at a time. Let me share a story that perfectly captures this mindset. Back in 2014, Microsoft was powerful but facing challenges. People respected the brand, yet few felt emotionally connected to it. It was often seen as a traditional, slow, and distant from the modern user. Then came Satya Nadella. His first message to the company was not about profit or products, it was about perspective. He emphasized a simple but profound idea. We are not here to be known it alls. We are here to be learn it alls. That mindset changed everything. Microsoft began focusing on curiosity, empathy, and collaboration. Instead of locking customers into one system, it started building bridges, partnering with Apple, Android, and even Linux. Because collaboration creates more value than competition. Inside Microsoft, teams got closer to customers. Sales brought insights from the field. Engineers listened, and pre-sale solutions started co-creating a real solution. The company moved from selling software to delivering outcomes. Culture shifted, brand perception transformed, and in less than a decade, Microsoft growth became one of the greatest comeback stories in business. Not because of luck, but because it learned to listen, learn, and lead differently. The lessons for all professionals, that's what sales, solution, and delivery teams need to learn today. Sales is not about talking smarter, it's about understanding deeper. You can have the best data center, best cloud architecture, or best ICT infrastructure. But if you don't understand the customer emotion behind the decision, you will never build trust. Every great deal start with empathy. Every loyal customer start with respect. And every transformation start with listening. So remember, don't sell a product, sell progress. Don't push technology, deliver transformation. At the end of the day, customer is king. I'm Farooq Khan, solution leader and trusted advisor. If this story or practice help you see sales differently, share it with your teams, leave your thoughts below, and follow me for more real stories and insight that drive success. If you are ready to begin your digital transformation journey, I would be happy to assist you. Ask me how.